Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can optimize your CPU and boost FPS in your Windows 11 and how to do this. Let's get started. This video is all about how to fix CPU lag and boost FPS by disabling hidden Windows services and features. So before applying these tweaks, my games were stuttering and using way too much CPU, but after making these changes everything started running smoother with maximum FPS. So make sure to watch till the end, and if this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's start with third-party services, since these can silently use up your CPU and lower your FPS without you noticing. Many apps install background services that run automatically with Windows even when you're not using them. Open your Windows search bar, type system configuration and select it. This will open the system configuration window. Click on the services tab, and before changing anything, make sure to tick the box that says hide all Microsoft services. This step is very important because it ensures that you don't disable anything essential for Windows to run properly. Once you have hidden Microsoft services, you'll see a list of third-party services that come from software you've installed. Things like printer utilities, cloud sync tools, update checkers, or media servers. Most of these are unnecessary for gaming and can safely be turned off. Go through the list carefully and uncheck any services that you don't need to run in the background. After selecting what to disable, click apply, then OK, and finally restart your PC. This restart clears out all inactive services and gives your system a fresh start with fewer background processes. The result is noticeable: lower CPU usage, reduced background clutter, and smoother overall performance. The next step is to disable hidden Windows services that quietly use your system's resources. Most of them aren't needed for gaming but still consume CPU. Turning them off frees up performance and helps your PC run smoothly, especially on lower end systems. Open your search bar, type services, and click on the services app. This will open the services window, which lists every background process that Windows runs automatically. Here we'll disable the ones that cause CPU lag and unnecessary memory usage. First, locate connected user experience and telemetry. This service constantly collects data about your PC usage and sends it to Microsoft. While it's designed to improve Windows over time, it doesn't benefit gaming performance at all. Right click on it, choose properties, set the startup type to disabled, and click stop if it's running. Then click apply and OK. Turning this off reduces unnecessary CPU load and background data collection, which can help stabilize FPS and lower system latency. If you never use a printer, disable print spooler as well. It remains active even when no printer is connected, slightly using up memory and CPU time. Disabling it won't harm your system if you don't print documents. Just locate it, right click, choose properties, set it to disabled. Click stop, then confirm with apply and OK. Another background task worth disabling is Windows Error Reporting Service. This feature automatically sends crash logs and diagnostic data to Microsoft, but it can cause brief stutters or freezes during gaming sessions. Located in the list, open properties, set it to disabled, click stop, then save your changes. Doing so prevents unnecessary interruptions and can smooth out gameplay. For those who never use remote desktop, you can safely disable remote desktop services, remote registry, remote desktop configuration. These services reserve system resources even when inactive. Disabling them helps reduce startup load and overall systems overhead. If your PC doesn't use Bluetooth devices, disable Bluetooth support service as well. It constantly runs in the background, scanning for devices and using memory. Just make sure you're not using any Bluetooth peripherals like wireless controllers or headphones before turning it off. You can also disable Program Compatibility Assistance service, which is mainly used for old software. Most modern games and programs don't need it, and turning it off can reduce launch delays and system checks during game startup. Finally, one of the biggest performance drains on low-end PCs is Windows Search. This search continuously indexes files, which can eat up CPU power and disk bandwidth. Disabling it can noticeably improve system responsiveness and FPS in games, especially on systems with hard drives. Just remember that file searches in Windows will take slightly longer, but for gaming performance it's a worthwhile trade-off. By disabling these hidden Windows services, you effectively strip away unnecessary background activity allowing your CPU and memory to focus where they matter most. Disable. The next step is to fix CPU lag and boost FPS is to turn off unwanted Windows features that quietly use system resources in the background. Open your Windows search bar, type Windows features and click on turn Windows features on or off. You'll see a list of optional features. Go through them carefully and uncheck the ones listed below. These are safe for most gaming systems to disable if you don't use them. Hyper-V used for virtualization and virtual machines. Disable if you don't use tools like VirtualBox, WSL or Docker. Internet Information Services. Web hosting feature is not required for gaming. Internet Information Services Hostable Web Core works with IIS, safe to disable. Microsoft XPS Document Writer, old printer feature unnecessary for gaming PCs. Print and document services, only need if you actually use a printer. Simple TCP/IP services, outdated networking features. SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support, very old file sharing protocol with security risks, disable unless connecting to legacy devices. Telnet, legacy remote connection tool. TFTP client, outdated file transfer protocol. Virtual machine platform, disable if you don't use virtual machines. Windows Hypervisor platform, works with Hyper-V, disable if virtualization is not used. Windows PowerShell 2.0, old and deprecated. Modern PowerShell is already installed. Windows Sandbox, creates a secure test environment, disable to save resources. Windows Subsystem for Linux WSL, disable if you don't do development work. Work folders client, used for syncing files between business networks, unnecessary for home gaming systems. After unchecking these options, click OK and let Windows apply the changes. Once done, it will ask you to restart your PC and make sure you do that. After restarting, your system will have fewer active background components, reduced CPU load and faster performance during gaming. This small tweak can noticeably boost FPS and reduce stutters. That's it for this guide. If this helped you fix CPU lag and boost FPS, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more PC optimization tips. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.